From the moment you step inside, you'll see what makes this home special. Timber details, cozy spaces, and a style that's all its own. Let's take a look inside. Hey everybody, John Went with Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes. We're so excited to show you the 1,700 square foot timber home today. This house features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. But let's start right here in the center of the home with this feature wall. So this home features our prow wall. Now we call it a prow wall because it mimics the prow of a ship. Gives you 180-degree views. And one other cool thing is this trim. I mean, look how massive this 4x12 hand-hewn trim is, special to Golden Eagle. You don't see that too many homes or too many other places. Another great feature I like about this prow wall is all the glass in it. Look how we designed this one. So we've got 2 6-foot patio doors with 2 large fixed panes of glass that go all the way down to the floor. Just gives that unobstructed view right outside. Carrying through the center of the home, we feature these impressive 8x8 arched timber accent trusses. I mean, those are just beautiful. And they highlight the windows above the kitchen, allowing all that natural light to come in, along with the feature wall's natural light. I mean, this house is lit up all day long. Just look how impressive those trusses look against that rustic ceiling too. I love the color choices the client selected in this home. The darker charcoal stain really pulls out the darker knots in the ceiling. I just love this fireplace over here too. You know, there's so many options when it comes to fireplaces. You could choose wood, you could choose gas. There's even conversion ones now where they can go from gas to wood. This particular client chose a gas unit. They did a terra cut cultured stone with this massive chase. I just love that. It was important to the customer, obviously, with the feature wall to take advantage of views, so the fireplace is off to the side, so it has unobstructed views outside. I like how the lighting too highlights off that stone, just really gives it a nice look. And how can we forget about this impressive hand-hewn timber mantle? Just ties in with the trim, the trusses, just that timber ambiance feel in this home. Another great feature about this floor plan layout is the open staircase. This home features our timber stairs with an impressive 8-foot wide stair section. And with it right by the front door, it just adds so much rustic charm to the home right when you walk in. Now, just imagine if instead of the railing was here, we walled this whole staircase off. It would close in the space. It would make it feel so much tighter. But by eliminating that wall, having this open railing with these black aluminum spindles that just allow you to visually see through that space, allows all that light to go through, it just adds the feeling that there's that much more square footage to this space. Here's a great tip when considering your front door. This client wanted to still maintain a lot of natural light coming through, but wanted some privacy. So we suggested we go with a rain glass texture on the window and the side light. Now this door is a fiberglass wood grain texture, 3-panel shaker style. And as we continue this tour, you'll notice that that profile carries throughout the home on all the interior doors as well.